Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Campbell's soup, step by step. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a can of your favorite Campbell's soup, plus the recommended amount of water or milk. Also, grab a suitable saucepan for stovetop heating or a microwave-safe bowl if you prefer that method. Don't forget a can opener if your soup isn't the easy open kind. Now, let's prepare your soup for heating. If you're using the stovetop, simply pour the soup into your saucepan and add the specified amount of water or milk. For microwave users, empty the soup into a microwave-safe bowl and then mix in the liquid. Make sure to give it a good stir to combine everything evenly before you start heating. It's time to heat your delicious soup. If you're on the stovetop, place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Heat until it's steaming hot, but avoid boiling. For the microwave, heat on high for about 2 to 3 minutes, pausing halfway to stir. Always ensure it's thoroughly heated before serving. Your Campbell's soup is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the hot soup into your favorite serving bowl. Feel free to add some delicious garnishes like crackers, fresh herbs, or even a dollop of sour cream for extra flavor. It's the perfect comforting meal. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your warm, satisfying soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.